I got my S15 out. I'll be honest, looks kind of mid, so I want to go to the customization shop up here and fix it before we go to the drift meet. I know we made Bumblebee in South Florida, bro. I know it's not no Camaro and shit, but fuck it. Let's go to the drift meet now. Check out their cars. Look at these people. Hey, can my car drift by the way? Yes, sir. A little custom drift meet. We got these nice cars looking sick. We got my boy Grim. Yo, Grim, how you doing in my video? All right, fuck it. Yo, W Grim, bro. We got Keegan out here, my